Looking for a compact excavator that delivers serious power and flexibility? Meet the Vote 1.6-ton mini excavator, your new go-to machine for farming, landscaping, trenching, and more. Powered by a durable 1.2 HP KIPOR engine. This hydraulic crawler is CE certified and built to handle tough jobs with ease. The retractable chassis makes it perfect for tight spaces like basements or elevators. It's compact, efficient, and multifunctional. With a maximum digging depth of 1,780 mm and swingable boom for tight angles, this mini beast gets the job done. Enjoy comfort and safety with an adjustable seat and ergonomic controls. Every purchase includes a 6-month core component warranty, plus lifetime VIP service, with service centers in the US and Europe. Have custom needs? No problem. Contact customer service today to get your discount and quote. Ready to order? Don't wait. Machines are in high demand, and stock is limited. Subscribe for more heavy machinery reviews and insider